In this video, I'm going to be discussing my top 3 tips for finding a top quality shop in 2018 coming up. So hey there everybody, Derek with Crase Auto Connection, where we like to get you further, faster, and safer. And on today's video, I wanted to discuss what I feel my top 3 tips are for finding a top quality shop. If you're not in my area, or if you're one of my old customers and you move to a new area and you're just trying to find a new solid place to do business with, then hopefully you're going to find these tips of benefit to you. So let's get started. Tip number 1, look online. I mean, obviously this probably should go without saying, but you know what, you got to say it anyways. You got to go to Google and Facebook and Yelp and anywhere else that you can find reviews on a particular company that you're looking to do business with, and pick it apart if you must. Obviously it's going to be hard to find anybody like top 5 perfect. There's always going to be 1 or 2 reviews that might not reflect what the total business is, because you can't make everybody happy, but check them out anyways. Check it all out, and if you're still not quite sure, give the company a call, talk to them on the phone, get a feel for them, or even go as far as stopping in their shop just to say hi, just to start a relationship and see where it goes from there. Number 2, make sure that they offer a free courtesy check. I think every shop should absolutely do this, just to generally check the overall safety of your vehicle. It's just, we want to make sure we know more about your car than you potentially do, and that if there's some safety issue that should not be overlooked, or if there's some maintenance that's something that you want to take a peek at, then a shop should be able to perform this basic courtesy check. It does not have to be intensive. It could be as simple as 30 points. We offer about a 41 point inspection here, so be on the lookout for that. We actually do a digital inspection where, if we're just doing, even if we're just changing your oil, we got your car up in the air, we're going to look around, we're going to check your brakes, we're going to check your wheel bearings and your struts and all that stuff, just to make sure that everything's good. And if we do see a problem area, we take our tablets and we just take a picture of it and we send it to you. Number 3, and this is very important, every shop should be able to provide some type of warranty to their customers, covering parts and labor within a time frame outside of the basic wear maintenance type items, more on like the heavier components like wheel bearings, stuff like that. If they break within a 12-month, a 24-month, or a 36-month. Different shops do different things. We offer our customers a 2-year, 24,000-mile warranty. Some shops offer more, some don't offer any, and you need to look that over, because I understand what it's like out there. You just got this part on, and like 30 days later or 60 days later or half a year later, it snaps or something breaks or it just malfunctions. I mean, unfortunately, it's the name of the game. Parts do break. Not everything is perfect, unfortunately. So that's why we offer the warranties, to help reduce that headache, because it is totally inconvenient when that happens. You just brought the car in, and then, again, 30, 60 days later, you're having this problem again. And it was the same part that replaced. So it's good to have this kind of stuff. We make it so much easier for our customers by offering this warranty, so they can bring it right back to us and we can make it totally right. I got some bonus tips. These are more like creature comforts, consumer convenience items. So not all shops have to have these or will even offer these. Things like having a solid this should go without saying, but as simple as a solid restroom that is clean, and a waiting area that is just nice and clean, right? So some of these shops can get extremely dirty. You don't want to sit there, right? We like to offer a nice waiting area with some chairs and a TV and coffee and popcorn, some little snacks. I think those are nice to have. I mean, I think every shop should be able to do that. Early drop off, late drop off, if they have a box out front, we actually have a little exhaust port that we have you throw your keys in and we pick them up in the morning. Not all shops are going to be able to provide this. We actually do, because we're also connected to a car dealership, but we offer our customers free loaner vehicles. Some shops might offer loaner vehicles, though you may have to pay like a small rental fee, or they'll direct you to a rental company, which sometimes comes with like a bonus little discount. So if they at least offer that to you, that's good. We offer free loaner vehicles, and it's just really a competitive advantage that we're able to offer our customers more than any shop around here can. We understand what it's like that, you know, if your car is going to be here for a couple nights or an extended several week stay for whatever reason, you know, we like to offer you a free loaner car so you can continue on your lives. I mean, everybody's busy nowadays. We don't have time to be broken down, and we do everything that we can here at Crase Auto to, you know, prevent that. I hope you found this video informative and helpful when trying to choose a new shop in 2018. We stand by everything that we do here, so everything that I listed, you can rest assured that we you know, we're on the up and up with everything that I just said. Otherwise, I probably wouldn't be saying it, right? Thanks again, everybody. Keep driving safe out there, and we'll see you next time.